Review. I think y'all see that it's a little bit easier than expected. I don't think I have a review for you to have. No, I don't. So if you need one, I can print you one today. Come in here 5th hour if you think you need one. So it doesn't go to any of yesterday's stuff. It looks like, huh? It's only 10 questions. We're going to go through 10 questions and be done. So the first question on your quiz says they have unfolded this box. Basically, B is on the top and F is on the right side. So what's on the front and what's on the back?
C is on the front, A is on the back.
C is on the front, A is on the back. Because look, C stays here, F closes in, B goes on top. So where does the A go? Folds over in the back, and C stays right here.
But
So-
where is B?
B is right here.
Why don't, is that, I don't know, that looks like the back.
No. So they're saying this is the box right here. This is it flat. This is the box they've made out of it. If B is right here
But
and
where's
F,
B, is it on the back or on the top? Like, I can't tell.
it's on the top.
B's on top.
Yeah. So if B is on the top and F is on the side, what's right here in the front?
Should be A.
No.
C.
Yes, you would fold it over like that.
No,
C would
B
be on the
has to
back
go on
side,
the
D would
top.
be.
No, B is gonna fold on the top. So
You are
A
doing it all
goes to the
wrong.
back. No, you're gonna get it wrong tomorrow. C stays right here.
So is D on the bottom?
D goes on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, D just folds under the
So
bottom.
E is on the
You're
side?
not turning this in
Yes.
any way.
Okay.
Leave it alone. Just fold that underneath. The sides in, B on the top, and A is on the back. So A is on the back and C is on the front. Okay?
How did A get behind B? If B is on the top and you fold it up and over, A will be in front of B.
No. If you fold B to
Okay,
the
why are you
top.
folding it backwards though? Like, who folds anything?
Where's the airhead box?
Yeah, I've got
But
it.
no, but who folds anything backwards? Like, you should be folding it
Me,
up.
Davison.
No, like, you should be folding it up and over.
Okay.
Then it'd be.
Here it is flat. And they're saying this is B and this is C. Well, did I get it wrong? No. This is D, C, B, A. So if I fold B to the top, A goes back, what's in front? C, and then D is on the bottom. And then here's my two sides.
Folds it like that. You would start from like.
That's just, well, that you have to follow with how they're folding it. Like they're gonna give you that, it's gonna be the same type of picture.
Two.
Really?
You know what that means?
That nasty, trashy girl. Okay. Okay.
Man, she's my sister, bro.
Alright. So if you need a copy of this?
Nope.
Oh. Alright.
They can Miss Mandy the lighter.
Number 2. You do know I'm recording, huh? I'll send this to your mama.
Please don't.
Okay. Alright. Now this one it says name the line and the plane. So you have 2 things to name. What's the line?
Line PQ.
Line PQ. The way you would write that, the line and PQ. What's the plane?
QRS.
QRS. All you need is how many letters? 3. And so I would just write plane QRS.
Could you use P?
Yeah, you could say plane PQS, plane PQR, PSQ. I mean, all you need is 3 letters. Okay. Are points D, H, and C collinear or non-collinear? What is collinear? Yeah, on the same line. Or are they not collinear? So let's look. Are D, H, and C, are those all on the same line? Are they going straight? No. So you're going to say non-collinear. Does that make sense? They are not on the same line. Okay. Everybody's good with the first page?
Hey, did we do number 2?
We did. It was line PQ and plane QRS. All right. Number 4. All right. Careful on this one because you have to say it exactly right. What's the name of the ray that's opposite BA? So if you want to
CD.
draw this one, it has to start at what though? It has to start at the same
So
point.
BC
So
or
it's
BC?
got to be B,
B.
C, ray, B, D.
Oh.
Okay, does everybody understand that? If BA is going this way, you have to start at the same endpoint. BD is going that way. Okay, we're good?
Can you do BC?
Like, no, that'd be a line segment.
That to me that looks more like a line segment because you're saying it's B and C. To me, I think it would be more like BD to say it keeps going. Would I take it? I probably would take that. What are the names of the segments in the figure? You have 3 segments. You have a little one, a medium size, and a big one. P what? PR is the first. Oops. Yeah. PR. Notice it didn't keep going. PQ and QR. So little line segments. They don't have the arrows. Are we okay with that?
William McCoy and Casey Harper, please come to the office. William McCoy and Casey Harper.
Okay. Yes.
Why do they run there?
Why does it have the arrows? Because it didn't ask for a line. It asked for line segments. So on this one, you're only going to draw the little, like a dash. See, this one looks like a ray. On the front page, it asked for a line, but this one asked for a segment, so it doesn't keep going. Okay?
Hold on just a minute. Okay.
And y'all, I might have some time tomorrow, because this review's pretty quick, so I can go back through it, or you can watch the video later. Let's see, number 6, the intersection, you do not have to draw anything. BPQ and CPQ. What letters were the same? PQ. And if it's 2 letters, it's a line. Planes intersect at a line. Say that you don't put the line above it, I'll probably just take off a point. It's worth 5 points. I'd only do like -1. But I want you to do every little piece. What's the length of AD? Well, one thing you can do is count. Like you could count, you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever, all the way to D. Or if it were me, I would just say, what is 8 minus -7? What is that? 15. Or you could have said -7 minus 8. But can your distance be negative? No, so your answer is 15. Okay, or just count, and you would get 15. Is everybody okay with that one? All right. Then, and I know we've done a lot since all this. We haven't found a day that was good to take the quiz.
Today.
Let me see time. Oh, I think we're gonna make it. All right, number 8. It says EF is 6. So if I were you, I would write that on there. From E to F is 6. From E to G is 16. That's the whole thing. Does everybody agree with that? So what is FG? You don't even have to do any like math or write any equations or anything. You just know 6 and 10 is 16. Is everybody good with that?
I'm great.
Okay. What segment? Here, I'll move it up. What segment is congruent to CD? So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if that's what you want to do, you need to find one that's another distance of 5. And y'all said AB? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. So you're gonna write AB.
That's congruent.
It just means equal, same distance. If you forget how to write a segment, guess what they just wrote right here?
CDs.
That's how you know this. I've been waiting since it's all wrong. Okay. If that's how they write a segment, say on the few columns up, you forgot how to write a segment, it's going to be on number 9. Maybe that helps you to remember.
Oh, that's gonna help me.
Okay, good. Okay. If T is the midpoint of SU, what does that mean if it's in the middle or the midpoint? They're the same. They're equal. So I would say this is the only one that's like got algebra with it, because this is our last problem. Those two are equal. Is everybody good with that? Now let's move our 4x. How do I move it? Subtract 4x. So 3x equals 33. What's x going to be?
11.
Divide that. So x is 11. No, that's not what it asked for. It asked for, this one is 77. What's the other one going to be?
77.
Yeah. You can plug it in. What are you
What are you
doing?
talking about? I'm right.
What?
I'm just laughing.
Oh, okay. Okay. So plug in 11. 7 times 11 was 77. Plug in 11 here. It's also 77. We know they're equal. What's the whole thing?
45.
If some of it's 77 and the other part 77, what's the whole thing?
144.
154.
154.
That's close.
If it was
Oh,
a
yeah.
negative 4x, would you still subtract it?
If it said negative 4x, you would have added 4x over. You always do the opposite. Okay. Quick review. We're done though. If y'all have, that's the whole quiz. So
Quiz
like
tomorrow?
quiz tomorrow. The last 2 lessons that we learned with the angles and stuff, they're not like I just don't have those on there. Those will be on the test later. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it a basic
Keep it on the DL, you know what I'm saying?
quiz. So if you need a printout, come see me 5th hour and I can send it.
Don't forget your cord.
What? The sign at the bottom? I just now saw that. I think that was one of my kids. Not
That's
this
the
one.
Nazi
Not
sign.
this one.
This
Hey,
one's
Miss Maddie,
Nazi.
can you stop recording?
Yeah, I need to stop recording if y'all are saying all this.
Miss Manus is Nazi.
It's a
Okay.
CDs.
Y'all have completely